Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa fruit salad. First, let's get our quinoa ready. It's crucial to rinse 1 cup of quinoa thoroughly under cold water for about 30 seconds to remove any bitter saponins. Then, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the quinoa is light and fluffy. Let it cool completely before mixing. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the fruit. Choose a vibrant mix of your favorites, like strawberries, blueberries, mango, and kiwi. Make sure all your fruits are fresh and ripe for the best flavor. Wash everything thoroughly, then carefully chop larger fruits into bite-sized pieces. Aim for uniform sizes so every spoonful is perfectly balanced. This step adds both visual appeal and a delightful texture to your salad. With your quinoa cooled and fruits prepped, it's time to bring it all together. First, let's whip up a simple dressing. A squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice, perhaps a touch of honey or maple syrup, works wonderfully. Gently combine the cooled quinoa with all your colorful, chopped fruits in a large bowl. Then, drizzle your dressing over the mixture. Toss everything carefully to ensure every piece is lightly coated, enhancing all those natural flavors. Your delicious quinoa fruit salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's perfect as a light breakfast, a refreshing side dish, or a healthy dessert. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your nutritious and tasty creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.